napansin ko although yung Meralco, although they lost their first game, but I noticed sa social media, it seems like Cliff Hodge had an immediate impact sa mga nakanood nung game. It seemed like I saw messages parang believe sila sa energy ni Cliff Hodge. And I even remember one message sabi, coined the term, buwis buhay. Ang style of play ni Cliff Hodge. And that says a lot when a fan para bang describes you that way, na parang you're talagang all out, na magpapakamatay ka just to get the ball.
It shouldn't even be a surprise kasi kung nanonood ka ng D-League dati sa
NX.
Nanonood
ako ng D-League.
Nanonood ako ng D-League.
Then sa mga viewers natin na nagsabi na, grabe pala tong Cliff Hodge na to, diba? If you've seen him in NLEX, siya yung tao na tatalon and every single possession, somehow bumabagsak siya. Pero kasi ganun lang talaga yung style ng hustle niya.
Hindi siya makatayo ng tama.
Hindi,
bumabagsak lang.
Hindi, bumabagsak siya kasi everybody really attacks him. Siya yung point ng defense nila. So, it's not a surprise, but I know why, fans are gonna love him. Kasi grabe talaga yung hustle.
Ikaw, tingin mo, he will have that kind of rapport, that connection with fans na, parang wow, ito very energetic.
I think so. You think of guys like Rudy Hatfield, he's loved by fans. And Cliff Hodge, I'd say, hustles just as much as Rudy Hatfield. It's like in the 40th minute of his game and he's still diving for the ball.
Right.
There was one play against Talk and Text. There were 3 guys. He still found a way to end up with the ball. But Miyaka's right. He's always been that way. But now it's different. It's in a bigger stage in the PBA. Everybody's going to get to see him. And, guys just love those guys who don't quit. I mean, as fans, you see a guy who hustles. But other than that, one reason why they'll also love him is because he jumps like crazy. And once he starts dunking the ball, I know fans love that. I mean, in fact, in our game against them, we had a tune-up game. He almost dunked on one of our players and he took off outside the paint. He literally Blake Griffin almost our player, but it just missed. But still, it was amazing.
Sino yung player?
Hindi na bali. But anyway, I'm sure he's gonna have a lot of highlights. And he's a good kid. He doesn't complain. He gets elbowed in the face. He gets hit.
Yeah,
you don't see him complain. He doesn't even fight back. He's just one of those good guys, and he works hard.
Si Hodge kasi, hindi pogi basketball yung laro niya. Kaya gusto siya ng fans. Wala siyang pakialam kung anong itsura niya sa floor. He doesn't care kung tumatumbling siya, kung nagpapaikot-ikot siya sa floor. He puts the energy in to make his team win. Yun lang naman yung kailangan. And the fans appreciate that. Lalo na ngayon na the PBA has enforced rules na rewarding energy guys like him.
Right.
And it will be better for him.
And I think another reason why fans would love him kasi yung ethics niya, work ethics niya, grabe. After playing 40 minutes against Talk and Text, the next day, off day sila, nandun sa gym, nagsushooting pa rin. Kasi he felt like he was not,
diba?
Kasi he felt like yung performance niya wasn't enough. But that's crazy.
Ako when the first time na nakita ko siya dun sa game, first game, parang, wow, lead pala niya. Nakasalog ko eh. Nagsabi na mali.
You're one to talk!
Sa TV lang eh. No, but yun nga, para bang, it dawns on you na he's actually kind of undersized for his position.
Yes.
Yeah,
Chris Ellis is taller than him.
Yeah, he's undersized. Parang, hindi pala ganun katangkad pagkatabi na niya yung mga higante sa PBA. But then, after a while, you notice, he's still getting rebounds. He's getting loose balls. Nakikipag-backsold siya, nakikipagpalitan siya ng mukha. He will dive, he will push, and maganda nun, he will also tweet. He's very honest with his feelings and he'll say, magsusorry siya sa fans na natalo sila. I mean, ilan player lang ang ganun na yung aamin at sabihin, wala, sorry, we lost, ganyan, wala siyang sisisihin, whatever, but and I totally agree. Parang meron siyang style of play that I think Filipinos can identify with kahit na hindi siya lumaki dito. But yung style of play niya, I think we can easily, or Filipinos can easily relate to that.
Yep.
Di ba nga, sabi mo na undersized, kasi ganun normally yung feeling ng mga Pinoy na nagbabasketball. You're smaller than everyone else. So, kailangan mo ng motor that runs faster than everyone else. So for you to compete. And yun yung ginagawa ni Cliff Hodge.
And siya actually yung nag-fill in dun sa energy and leadership na nawala kasi nawala si Asi. I think that's a very important for Meralco to have.
Bigat na siya yung papalit dun sa parang role ni Asi.
Yung game nila against Talk and Text, it was really evident kasi siya na lang yung nagbe-bring ng energy and usually it's Asi who brings that eh. But now wala na si Asi.
Ano ba, mapapwersado si Hodge to play like, I don't know, least, 40 minutes?
It
Well,
looks like
mukhang...
it's
Well,
gonna
their
happen.
centers right now are Hugnatan and J.R. Reyes.
Uh-huh.
I mean, if you look at the power forward, I mean, Sharma's also there. But then, Hodge, he doesn't really get tired. I mean, you can see the way he plays. It's the 40th minute. It's as if the game just started. And he's a good player. He does a lot of good things for Meralco. Of course, he also has his weaknesses. He can't really shoot from the outside yet. But, with his work ethic, I won't be surprised by next year if he's a good shooter. But, if you have guys like them, they're young, they can play heavy minutes. Well, why not? I don't see what's wrong with playing heavy minutes.
He's like Meralco's version of Abueva.
Oh God, no.
Hindi, at least itong Abueva na to, okay sa'yo.
Oh yeah.
This Abueva kasi ayaw mo eh. Itong version, di ba?
Incomparable.
Isn't he like some bizarre version of Calvin Abueva?
I mean, I saw
Oh.
him.
Okay, in terms of being a workhorse,
Exactly!
sabihin
Undersized,
mo.
rumi-rebound. Oh, makikita mo, magugulat ka, tumitira sa labas.
Grabbing to defend.
Grabe
He was
dumipensa.
starting,
Come
Jason
on!
Castro.
Okay, nagigets ko yun. Pero
Oh.
huwag mo sasabihin yung Calvin Abueva kasi
Masisira araw ko.
Sino namang sabi?
naman, cliff naman ako dun. Hands down. Kahit anong mangyari. Kahit anong sabihin nyo. I'm getting awkward stares. Wala akong pakialam kay Calvin Abueva.